Those are gel packs, I presume.
Yeah, that's from last year. It's done in May 27th, but I actually still use that. Try new flavor.
That's it, man. Live on the edge.
Or kind of cooking.
So this would be sport nutrition. And then over here in my pack, we've got the enhanced calorie delivery device, Coca-Cola. Oh yeah, and don't forget my little Vector cereal bars. I'm sure those are ultra healthy, but lots of calories. I need calories today.
Vector.
We're right here in the bell, and this is the path, and it's only the beginning of the first leg. 100K to go to the other end, then we get some lunch, then we're gonna turn around and come all the way back. The clock is started. You good to go? Yeah, all right.
Oh, she's known in the darkest clubs for pushing ahead of the dames. If she says she can't do it, then she can't do it. She don't make false claims.
Whee, that was good for the bearings.
But she's a queen, good that it was wet.
True enough, little traction.
Fluffy.
Can't have fluffy.
But it could have been me. Yes, it could have been me. What didn't I say? What didn't I say? Now, push me in the side and my time. Little bomb, hold a liberty property high. Oh, my God, but you better. So, we're all on the road for an hour. Got 24 gates to do it. Done. Got a bit more to go.
He says a little bit. That's like 175K.
So cold, don't feel like no bed at all. Yeah, I lay down a while.
Ride the gravel. Surf's up.
I'm just down on the street, so I throw both these bags down the hall. And I'm boarding a cab, cause my stomach feels small. There's a taste in my mouth, and it don't taste at all. It could have been me, oh yeah, it could have been me. Why didn't I say? Why didn't I say?
Hey, so the second rest stop, Namaning, as I said, 38K. We'll get some water, and we'll keep going. Nice little train station, or what used to be. So it's snack time. I got my berry burst here. I think Dan's chewing down on some optimum energy.
Yeah.
Woo! Is that not the most delicious thing you've ever seen? So where are we at?
We're at La Saguet right now. We have done 47K. We're gone from the car since 2 hours 13 minutes.
Nice.
And it's going well.
Sweet. Take us out, man. So we just passed halfway, the 157 mark, and we're climbing up a slight incline towards Mont Laurier now, slowing down a bit. We're averaging the better part of 25, 26, but this hill's giving us a little bit of a challenge, so we'll keep plugging away. So we've crested the peak here. Looks like we're going downhill again. Dan's pulling us down at 35. Woo, 35. Jolene. 27 clicks to go. It's Mont Laurier. Cruising along nicely. We got an average of 31, 32 on the clock. Doing good. What's our progress?
Alright, not sure where we are. 80K, 3 hours and a half since we have left the car. We're doing pretty good. We'll be in Mont Laurier in less than 5 hours since we have left the car, including every break. Every break. Well, just take one break. Come on.
Nice.
Nice break.
little stretch. We're coming into Mount Laurier. Sun's out. Still feeling good. You feeling good, Dan?
Yeah.
Woo!
Please don't take my man.
So good. 92 on the clock. We'll make up some later, I think. Got the skates off. Time for lunch. We had some lunch. We're sitting outside Mike's. We tanked up on pizza and the life-giving elixir known as Pepsi and 7-Up. It's all good. Dan's got a big jug of the stuff he's taking back with him, so we should be stocked up till Dominique. From the Mount Laurier end, we're heading back to the Bell. So we had a rain skate for the better part of an hour coming out of Mount Laurier, but sun is out again and we're drying off, and I think we got about 73 clicks to go. Dan's doing a big pull up here front, and we're going strong. Woo! Everything's good back there?
A lot of work. What's time? We have left the car 7 hours, a little bit more than 7 hours ago. I think it's going well. The rain has stopped. The break in Mont Laurier was maybe a little bit longer than what we have wished. We're going at a slow pace of 21.6, but it feels hard. So we'll see.
Please don't take him even though you can.
So we're back in the groove. We got a nice descent going. Walking along, 31, 30, around there. Making some good time.
They were there since 5 o'clock, so they were there since 4. It must not be on the first beer. Bunch of lucky people.
Let's hope they get drunk and they're still there when we get there.
Yeah. Yeah, why not? Anyway, bunch of sissy person do only 80 or 100k. Come on, we'll have to move up a little bit.
Tisk
100K,
tisk.
Walk in a bar.
My compatriots tirade. We're back in Nominang. We've chugged up on the Powerade, had a banana, and rested up in the sun, and we're about to head back. So we're getting going, get our skates on, and we'll report back in once we're back in the Bell. See you soon. We are 20 clicks out from the Bell, the car, and dry clothes. Oh yeah. We're coming into the last kilometer. Flower Kid's leading us in. It's been a successful ride. No crashes, no major road rash. It's all good. We're about to finish. Back in the Bell. Still feeling good. I think Dan, Flower Kid, wants a big race finish. Woo! How you feeling?
Final countdown, it's 10 hours 31 since we have left the car.
I've got 7:56 in skate time.
Okay. Distance?
186 on the dot.
187.1. So it's somewhere between the two.
Time to eat. Just as a final note, if you're ever thinking of doing a rain skate, kids, this is what happens. You get covered in grime everywhere, and you get to clean your bearings afterwards.